How do you create branded professional video stories for your business Instagram account? We show you exactly how in today's video. Hi everyone, my name is Lydia from incomingsuccess.com, a platform that is meant to help you start and grow a successful online business from scratch with social media marketing strategies and more. And in today's video, we're going to talk about how you can create professional video stories for your Instagram account that will catch people's attention and that will make them keep following your account and interact with your content and product. Today's video is sponsored by OFFEO, a video marketing online platform that will help you create the best videos for your business, from YouTube intros and outros to Instagram stories, reels, video ads for your social media, or even product videos for your website. And today we're going to go through how you can use their platform to create the best video stories for your Instagram account. Let's begin. So in today's video, I'm going to use OFFEO.com to create 3 types of Instagram stories videos. If you want to check out OFFEO as well and create videos for your business, make sure to click the link in the description. The first video story that we're going to be creating is to promote a product. The next one is to announce something, a news on our stories. And the third one, I would create a type of story I would add on my Instagram profile to promote a new YouTube video on my channel. The first thing you need to do after signing up for OFFEO.com is to go to your dashboard and brand and make sure to add all your brand colors, fonts, and your logo. This will help you create those branded video graphics later. Then you can go to projects and add new project to start creating a video. From there, you will see that you have 3 options to create videos. You have Smart Create from a photo, then you have Branded Template, which will allow you to preview a bunch of branded templates with your logo, brand colors, and fonts before even clicking on them and changing anything. So you'll be able to preview them and select the ones you want to use for your stories or any other videos you want to create. And then you have designer templates that you'll be able to choose from a bunch of background videos, graphics, animations, and more. We'll create one story with each so you can see how each option works. How to create an Instagram video story to promote a product. For this Instagram story, I will choose to create an animated story just with graphics without videos and a photo of my product, which is a Pinterest graphic template that I sell on my website. I will go ahead and choose Smart Create and choose the vertical side because I'm creating an Instagram story. Then, because I need it for a product video, I will select product video and I will then upload the photo of one template. You can choose if you want to keep the image background or remove it. I will choose to keep it. After that, I choose to see vertical videos and I will browse through until I can see my favorite template to use. I will choose this one template and click edit. Now it's time to make the changes I want to the template to make it branded and in my own style. You can choose to add even more scenes if you want, but for one story I like this one, so I will click on it and start editing it. You can double click on the text to edit it, and this is what I'm doing to write my own text about my Pinterest graphic templates. You can move the image and text, play the video to see any changes you've made so far as well. If at any time you decide to change the background video, you can do so by clicking on video, go to Stocks Video and click on the one you want, and then play it to see how it works. Here's the Instagram video product story that I created with OFFEO to promote my Pinterest graphic template. Now let's go to the second video story that we're going to create, which is to share news or updates. I chose this type of story because I usually use these stories a lot to announce my Instagram followers of different things that are happening, whether with my website or new products or just services or anything else. I use this kind of story a lot. So instead of creating the boring plain image story, I decided to go for an animated story, which is a video story, because it attracts people a lot more and it grabs the attention of the viewer. I recently finished redesigning my website and I want to announce my followers that my website is now live. So for that, I will go to the dashboard and start a brand new project. For the story to be a little bit more elaborate, I'm going to choose use 2 scenes for this one to make it a bit longer, and I'm going to also decide the length of each scene. For creating this video story, I'm going to now select branded templates, and as I've mentioned, they will ask you to either select your brand colors, fonts, and logo. I will choose the same size for stories, and here you'll find the option of adding your desired brand colors, as I said, type of graphics and fonts, and upload your logo. Then you'll be able to see a ton of stories to choose from. I want to share the news, as I've said, that my new website is now live, so I'll try creating that and pick a story that kind of says that, or that allows me to share an image. I will then edit each scene individually and play them so I can see how the video looks. I decided to change each graphics entrance animation for the video effect, because they are static stories right now, but you can animate them in any way that you want. You can add a video as a background, change the background color. If that doesn't suit you, you can add more images and animate those, or you can add video animations, as I've said. You can find all those in their stock images and videos. So after I edit each scene individually, I will go to my project board and I will play both scenes. Once I like how the story looks, I will download it into my computer and send it on my phone somehow through email or through WhatsApp web or something, and I will then upload it on my Instagram stories. Here are the results in which I'm promoting my new website redesign, and I'm sharing with people that my new website is now live. And now the last story that we're going to be creating is a story that will have a video clip inside it, because I'm going to be promoting a YouTube video, a new YouTube video. I'm only making this as an example, so it is kind of an older video that I'm using right now, but you can use this for any type of video that you want to promote, and you can either add more video clips in one story if you want them to play simultaneously. For this one, I will be using the designer templates, and I will choose the stories option. And then I will pick my desired template. I will click edit and then change the image with the video. You can click on the image and delete that, and then go to video and upload your video. When you decide to upload a video, they will ask you how much of it do you want to upload. So if you only want a small portion of the video to be present in the story, you can select that portion and then click upload. You will be notified when the video is optimized and ready to be used in your story, so you don't have to stay there if you have a longer video to upload. You can add the video to the story that you're editing it, reposition it how you prefer, make it bigger or smaller, crop it, and you can also choose to remove the sound from your video, which will help you kind of add a certain music to the background of the story, or you can decide to keep it if you're saying something like a small teaser in that video that you want people to hear before going to your channel and seeing your entire video. So I animate the video entrance as well, and I animate the graphics around it. I change the text, the background color of the text, and everything else that I want to do to make the video story a little bit more branded. You can also choose to add your logo, any graphics you want. They have a ton to choose from there. So here are the results in my video story that I'm promoting a brand new YouTube video. So here are the results of all the stories right here that you can choose to see. You can create a bunch more branded videos to fit your branding and your business style with OFFEO. If you want to check it out, again, you can find the link in the description below. So OFFEO made it really easy for me to create my video stories and to go from those boring Instagram stories to video stories that have animations in them, videos, and that catches my audience's eyes and keep them engaged in the stories a little bit more. In future videos, I will also show you how to create a YouTube intro and outro for your YouTube channels, outros that are branded, that are shorter or longer. You can choose to select as many scenes as you want to make it as full as you want for your channel. And I will also share how to create branded Instagram Reels with OFFEO as well. So make sure to stay tuned for those videos and a bunch more videos on social media marketing for business and growing your online business by subscribing to my channel and pressing the notifications bell to be notified when I upload. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget again to check out OFFEO down below. You can also follow me on Instagram to see the stories that I've created there live in action as well. Thank you again so much to OFFEO for sponsoring this video. It is definitely a platform that I will keep using for my video creation for business. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video if you've enjoyed it as well, and I will see you in my next video.